The Shona people of Zimbabwe are known to hold either a traditional wedding or a contemporary wedding. The traditional customs usually involve age-old negotiations between the families of the bride and the groom. It is not uncommon for negotiations to last for several days, with much celebration, feasting and exchange of gifts, such as vuramuromo and rusambo, amongst others. The rora or bride price is an important part of the traditional wedding process. It is paid by the groom to his intended bride's family, and it can be either a small token or a large price depending on the family the man is marrying into. Do you want to learn more about the traditional Shona wedding customs? We have a fantastic video called Traditional Wedding Practices in Zimbabwe, which details the process step by step. Find it on YouTube.